Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and this is Brittany Allen Crafts. I have a Dollar Tree shop with me for you. I found some more Valentine's Day items and decor, and I also found some summer items that I think you guys are going to really like. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share it with any friends and family, and leave me a comment down in the comment section letting me know if you have any advice for my channel, or let me know what was your favorite item that you've seen in this shop with me. Let's get started. So check out these new eyelash kits. I think these would be such a cute idea to give to someone for a small little gift. And they also had some heart-shaped makeup sponges and some rose scented matte lipstick and rose scented heart-shaped lip balm. They also had this Mega Lash mascara, and I really like the packaging on this. Like I said, such a cute idea for just a little gift bag. I really like that it's black and white striped and that it says "Hello Beautiful," and if you notice, it is cruelty free with the little bunny, so you know it's legit. And then it has XO on the cap, which is just so cute. And don't forget the little kissy face. So here are some sequin heart pillows. They have red with silver and red with gold. I think they had these last year, but I can't quite remember. I know they had some sequin pillows, but I'm not sure if they had them in a heart shape. Alright, so I found these super cute candle holders. They had the silver with the red heart, and then they were red on the inside. So pretty, such a good deal for just $1. They also had the X and the O in silver with the purple XO and purple on the inside. And these things look way more expensive than just $1. Here is the gold with the red heart. And then they also had the gold with the purple XO. This looks like something you would at least find at Target for at least $3. They also had this lock and key vase. And here are some little metal containers. This one says Happy Valentines, and it has a little latch and has a handle on it. And they also had another one with, and this was my favorite, it had Follow Your Heart and a little air balloon and hearts all over it with little air balloons on it as well. Over here they have some Valentine mailboxes, and I love the little flags and the fact that they work on these. This one says Happy Valentine's Day, which is so pretty, and I really like this one. It's got little envelopes and letters, and it says Cupid Express on it with a little lock and key. How adorable is this? Oh, and little stamps. I just seen that. Here's my favorite find for this shop with me, you guys. Look at these fairy garden items. Oh my goodness. This does not look like anything I've ever seen at Dollar Tree before. They really stepped up their game on the fairy garden. I want to go back and buy them all. I love the little bridge, and my fiance, he wanted to show you this one. I love the lollipops and the ice cream cones, and I don't know, it just is so cute. And it's like they did such a good job on these. Look at the little lollipop fence. They also had a little camper with ice cream on top, and it says ice cream on it. I'm really, like, every time I see it, I'm in shock at how much of a good job they did. This one is so pretty with the sparkly snow icing on it. And then look at this, you guys. If you're not into the lollipops and ice cream, they have new items for the farmhouse type decor as well. They have this new little water spigot and bucket. And then look at this grassy area with the stone fence around it. The grass is foam, just FYI. They have little bird houses and fairy crossing with a bird on it. I remember seeing things like this at Dollar General last year, but nothing nearly as cute. I'm obsessed with these little crates. It's 3 crates stacked on top of each other, and they're all facing a different direction. And then look at the little carrot house. This one is my favorite. Well, I don't know. It's kind of hard to choose because they're all so freaking adorable. They also had down here these little, I guess you would call them like an entrance or a doorway. They had a few different ones. They had this one with the leaves, and then they had the mushroom. Yeah, but it's just basically a door. But here's the grassy area again, and just another look at the ice cream houses separately. They also had these little horses, and I can't tell if they're unicorns or not. I think they are. They also had the little gnomes holding lollipops. Yeah, let me get you a close-up. Isn't that cute? And then they had little mini ice creams with a little mini candy cane. They also had new fairies and new mini mushrooms. Here are some more gnomes, some little animals you can add into your garden, and then some lollipops, suckers, and candy canes, more fairy gardens, and then check this out, the little hearts and the flowers. Oh my goodness, y'all. Every time I think Dollar Tree can't get any better, they do. Am I the only one that feels that way? Because I swear every year they just get better. They also had these new sprinklers in. They had the frog, the sunflower, and the ladybug, and they each come with their own little stake. They had this water hose accessory kit, and you get several different pieces with this. Obviously, I don't know the quality, but still a good deal. And then these are the items that shocked me the most. They had this huge pack of plant clips, a 20-piece, and this is my favorite, the tomato trellis. And you put it together, but oh my goodness, I love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Leave me a comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.